of teachers have come across our Launching the Writer's Workshop book. They've purchased it, they're starting to execute the lessons, and really establishing a strong writing environment. But a pretty common question I get is, am I supposed to do all these lessons in order? Because it seems like it'd be a really long time before I actually start teaching writing units. And most recently, I got that question from Christine Gillespie. She's a teacher in Westerville, Ohio. And so Christine and anybody else who's wondering, no, don't necessarily do it in order. This book is for grades 3 through 12. So everything isn't appropriate to a 3rd or 4th grade teacher. And everything isn't going to work in a secondary 10th, 11th, 12th grade classroom. So I do give you some suggestions on which lessons are most essential for your grade range to start up the year. And that is on pages 5, 6, 7. Grades 3 through 5, I say, hey, I think these are your first weeks. If you're going to do lessons, I would say pick from these. Not everything in part 1, just these. I do the same thing for my middle school ELA teachers and the high school. So that's the first thing I would do. And I'm hoping that by the 3rd, 4th week of school, your writer's workshop is up and running. So Christine's next question is, when do I then do units? And do I do those in order as they're presented in the book? No, because if I go back to the table of contents, then Christine, you know that the whole second part of the book is organized by 6 traits. So lessons to develop ideas, lessons to improve organization, voice, word choice, and so on. So I propose in grades 3 through 5, if you're going to do persuasive units, I would do it in this order. When you do informative units, I would teach these in this order. And narrative, same thing. But again, that's 3 through 5. Assuming they come with some of that knowledge middle school, I say you move the bus. Same with high school. So nobody does all of the lessons in the book, and nobody does them page by page in order.